Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Jonathan Emmanuel and I'm a Microsoft certified innovative educator. I want to just do this video to show fellow educators, teachers, one of the ways they can utilize AI, ChatGPT to be precise, to help make their work easier for them and probably faster. So I'm just going to be doing a very short video, about 10 minutes, to show you what it is like. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, smash the like the notification button, and of course like this video, share it with your friends and fellow educators. Let's just help ourselves. Also, if you have any questions to ask, please leave it in the comment section. I am personally going to answer every one of them. So what I do is I'm going to show you one. ChatGPT, the website is chat.openai.com. They have an app. There are several apps like them on Play Store and iOS Store, but just check the one that is free because I'm using the free version. Most of them will tell you to pay. So what I do is this. I always utilize my questions and my hows and my whys, my when. So I also tell it to assume a role. So if I want to ask a question, I can tell ChatGPT to assume a particular role. That role could be an expert in that field. For example, if I want to write a book and I want that book to be on, it's a health related book on pregnancy, I can, you know, I can tell ChatGPT to assume the role of a renowned gynecologist and then do the book, give it the book title and all of that. Again, whatever I want to do, I can simply tell ChatGPT to assume that role. I can explain how I want the answer to be. I can explain how many characters I want, how many letters I want. I can just simply interact, but make it as simple as possible. Simplify it to the lowest unit you can. So let me just work on, I'm not a math teacher, but let me just work on a lesson for maths. For example, I want to get my lesson plan for maths. All right, so I am going to do this. First, I want to give it a role. You are a renowned mathematics teacher. There's a mistake there. Mathematics teacher. Kindly create a lesson plan for a mathematics lesson on the topic which topic should I use? Indices. Is this okay? I'll put on my full stop anything. The plan should be for 2 weeks or 2 periods, for 4 periods, 2 periods, and will be taught in 2 weeks or 1 week. Let's say 1 week. Also include questions, homework, and questions and assignments that students will participate. The class taking the lesson is middle school, that's JS2, middle school 2. So this is what I can, of course, make my corrections if there's anything I need to correct. Students. Okay, so you can see that I tried as much as possible to break it down and explain it so that the software, the AI, will also understand what you are asking. See, it's not because it's AI, you just come and put one sentence. Personally, I've discovered that the longer your prompt is, the prompt is the command, is what you tell your AI to do. The longer your prompt is, the better the results you get. That's what I have discovered. So I will do this and I will click on send, or I will just press enter. And let's watch the magic happen. In probably 5-10 seconds, my results will be out. So you can see lesson plan, introduction to indices, grade level, middle school 2. Now you remember I told it that duration 2 periods, 45 minutes each. You can see it coming out. I told it that this lesson will be taught in 1 week. You know, if I had said 2 weeks, we would have broken it down to 2 weeks. It's generating objectives for my lesson. So teachers, I don't know how to put this, but these things have come to make our lives easier. See, these things have come to make our life easier. All you need to do is to be sure that the prompt you're giving it, the command you're giving it, is the right and the correct one. That is what you need to do. So this is it. And take note, there are several other AI softwares you can use. There is an AI software for mathematics. You can use to solve math problems. Of course, I also use ChatGPT to solve math problems, but there's a special one for maths. There's an AI software you can even use to get medical and prescriptions. Explain how it's wrong with you, what's wrong with you, and it's going to tell you possible ailments or whatever you need to treat. And sometimes even prescribe some kind of drugs you can take. Okay, so there are AI softwares for several other things. In fact, I have a list of about 100 AI softwares and websites that is very beneficial for educators. If you want me to do a video on that, just leave a comment in the in the comment section. Also share this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Just encourage. That's all I'm asking. I'm doing this for free, but I just need this encouragement so that I will know that you really appreciate this. My answer is still coming out, but then you can see it already. All I need to do with what I have now is just to copy and paste on Microsoft Word. You can do this on your phone. I am using a laptop, but you can do it on your phone. You can do it on your tablet and all of that. So thank you for watching. My answer is still coming out, but then I think I'm going to end the video here. Remember, I told you that it's going to be for 2 periods. Those 2 periods is for 1 week. So the first period, we'll be doing introduction to indices. And then you can see it wants to warm the class. Let's see what brings up there. My objective is there. My materials I will need are there. Period 1. I'm waiting for it to generate a warm up 10 minutes. You remember it's a plan. So I'll use 10 minutes of the 45 minutes for warm up. It's bringing up something else. For warming up, I will begin the lesson by reviewing. Let's see, maybe reviewing the concept of multiplication and division. Fine. Ask questions, ask students to solve simple multiplication and division. That's okay. Problems. So my network is not so fast, so the answer is coming slowly, but it's coming out. That's just it. You just have to be patient a bit. You can see that this is even giving you examples. Guys, teachers, wake up. Don't be an analog teacher. Let technology help you. Let technology help the ministry. I'll see you in another video. This thing is coming up already. I don't want to make this video too long, but I know you understand what is up, what is happening, what is coming out. Everything is going to be simplified for you. It's going to also get questions. You know, I don't know how long this video has been right now. Let me just check because I don't want the video to be really long. But let me see. I can't see that. I wish I can see that but I can't see how many minutes the video has been. But maybe I just wait a little more. Introduction to indices. Define what an index exponent is. Like I said, I don't teach maths, but with this, I can even enter the class to teach junior secondary maths. Why? Because these are simple things. With the plan, it is even simplified for me. With a plan that's told me what to do, and all I need to do is just to prepare myself for things like this. So I didn't get, I think my network went off. It's not complete. If you have any issue like this, it's halfway, just click on regenerate and it's going to generate a fresh one. This one is even going to be faster because I know that the network was affecting it. You can see that this is faster. So that's it. Sometimes you may have issues. You just need to click on regenerate. Good. Homework for assignment 1, rules and application of indices, period 2. That's what we'll do period 2. So the first 10 minutes you recap what you did in the period 1, and then you tell them the rules and properties of indices, application, practice and activities that they will do, homework and assignment, assessment, additional resources, and then this is what you do to close. Bam, we are done. So like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, just ask in the chat box, in the comment section. If you want me to do that video of 100 AIs you can use, let me know. I'll do that video. Thank you. I'll see you in my other videos. Bye for now.